Woohoo! Oh.
Not awake yet. Heading down to Folded Hills to ride Dan Libman's farm again. It's currently 16 degrees out. I'm stopping for something to eat. Today's ride will feature a couple of creek crossings, many bridge crossings, a huge variety of field crossings, various castles, some actual trail riding, and hills. Lots and lots of hills. Mostly up, it seemed like, but yes, there were some downs. So after a brief discussion of which way we wanted to head today, off we went. So last time we did this stuff, you said the best stuff is over here. So my question is, the good stuff that we didn't get to, is it as much quantity as what we did already, or is it less quantity?
In space?
In terms of distance and...
I would say we did about a third of what there is. But
really?
My sense of what is like good riding versus like what is not has changed based on what happened last time. Because you seem to really enjoy the stuff that I thought would not be. Sam's ready to ford a creek fish.
Oh. It's ice.
It's over.
There's fish in there.
Hell yeah.
Woo! I showed you guys the way. This is the way.
Yeah, I would go Rico's way. It's only a little soft in the, it's a little cracky in the center if you move quickly.
Yes! Woo! Oh, nice.
It's still bumpy, but...
Oh, there's ice on the other side.
That's really deep.
Oh, yep. Oh.
Dear Lord, I'm coming!
Nice.
My butt's all wet now.
Yoo-hoo.
Little big.
You know where my head's at. Oh, it's so different with no snow out here. Yoo-hoo!
We're really close to Stranglehold, which is they're building a mountain bike trail on it.
Oh yeah?
That's where the castle is. I don't know if you guys have been there.
Oh, well, let's decide when we get to the top. I'm okay with checking the castle thing out.
Yeah, it's fun.
Go get it, Dan.
Gone a little faster. That's the castle? No.
Is that the stronghold? No. It looks like it.
It's a bobbing tower. Maybe they used to sled down the hill before. Get a picture of it.
Oh, you got it all the way to the top? Whew.
Seems okay.
Feels pretty solid. Look at that, a castle.
I give you stranglehold.
Now you're on the field. All right. Who knows where Dan's taking us? Holy crap. This is awesome. Oh, oh, you. This is awesome. Oh, I'm not used to these wide handlebars. Whoa. Anybody can ride groom trails, right? It looks familiar, like it's at the bottom and you gotta go all the way up.
That's everywhere here.
On the trail.
Dan says we're back on the trail. This is definitely the trail. Oh.
There's a race here. Cyclocross night. No axles at the cast. Something like that.
Oh, okay. Oh, I've heard of it, yeah.
Yeah.
I named it. That was my brilliant idea.
Very awesome.
Axles at the castle. Alright, so this is a trail Dan does not know where it goes. He's never been on it. Might just be a deer trail, who knows? Whoa! You! Checking it out. My feet are still dry. We need another creek crossing. Oh. Oh yeah. Whoa! Oh, oh yeah, that was steep. Oh, a hill. Imagine that. Holy cow. Imagine that, there's a climb. Oh, look at this valley though. Just take it in for a second. There's stuff everywhere. Damn, they're big. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Josh down. Oh.
Okay, we're halfway to the golf course.
I saw a golf ball back there.
Really? Yeah, actually, the golf course is right through the trees.
Oh, this is awesome! Woo! Oh, look at he's already down there. Woohoo! Whoa! That hill was totally awesome.
Oh, that's fun.
Oh, look, a hill.
There's another way with more hills.
Yeah. Go. Is there another hill we can go up?
Yeah, but we gotta go down that at first.
Okay.
Here's what we do. Stay up in the ridge a bit.
A bit.
And then we're gonna go around in a really fun descent, I call it, because you're going down. Because there's a lookout tower. I want you boys to climb down and see the whole valley.
Okay.
You want to?
You want to?
It's called David's lookout point because everything's religious.
I think we.
You. Ah. Ah. This is a steep hill. Whew. Whoa.
You found us an even bigger hill to go up.
Right. A lot of climbing. Alright, this hill is much better going down than up. Woo! Dan's a beast, actually. Dan and Jason. Woo! You made it! Holy crap. That's straight up. We all made it. That's gorgeous.
This was left here by the Native American Black Hawk.
What, the tree?
The trail.
No, the ribbon. We've had it dated back from 1729. There was a settlement here. Chickajawas.
that where they all went to ski? Yes, hot pink was their tribal color.
Right.
The cold weather introduced me to a suspension seat post.
Oh, look at that. Oh, a ropes course. What are these trails called?
Stronghold.
Stronghold.
Back in the olden days, like in the castle days, like 1600s, they built this so that they could see when the steam stopped coming out of the cooling towers, because then they knew they had to go into the shelter. So like
Relight the fires.
well, yeah, they'd go like, ahoy, tritium ahoy, and then they'd go into they'd hide.
Tritium ahoy. So the sign says this is not a trail. Logs are for erosion control. Yes. Woo.
Are you about to propose? Oh my gosh.
I do.
Turn the key off.
Yeah, that's a